Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Liza Soberano, nag-update muli sa kanyang YT channel, Liza in Korea. As usual, nagpakita pa din muli ng kagalingan ang actress sa pag-host. Liza voice, have that calm effect to her viewers. Ang calm ng boses, at bagay na bagay niya talaga, ang hosting. Liza is very good in hosting, always lively, and she is very smart, articulate, and very natural. Ang mga komento ng fans, na nakaka-good vibes. Liza, meet Kang Sungyoon. The leader of Winner, the famous K-pop idol. Kang Sungyoon, have a lot of photo exhibition. Hindi talaga mada-down, ang isang Liza Soberano, kahit saan isabak, umaangat pa din, in her unique, and amazing style. Liza is so smart, I am a nerd, on how she speaks, and carry herself, with panache. Based on Liza interview, Kang Sungyoon, is just amazing too. Liza is just amazing, I love how she handle everything. Ating silipin, ang iba't ibang photo exhibition, ni Kang Sungyoon. Salamat sa patuloy na pagsusuporta, mga kaibigan. Kung may opinion, o komento kayo, just type sa comment section. Salamat po.
Yeah.